Now let's make some meat. I have to gather my ingredients. Grass-fed beef, tomatoes, organic carrots, and green onions. I was going to use arugula, but I'm not too sure how that would work in the crock pot, so I'll just leave that for my salad portion when I make my lunch. Okay, that's all washed up. Oh, I almost forgot the carrots. Packaging says that they are like quadruple wash, but I like to rinse them off sometimes clean. Grab my mini crock pot, and now to add the first layer, which is the carrots. Yes, I used the whole bag. Now the 1 pound of ground beef, all of it as well. Time to chop up these green onions. Personally, I don't like too much of like small dicings, so I'll just do chunky. Yeah, I like chunky. I had a couple of tomatoes left over from my salad fixings, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these as well. It's already pretty packed in here, so I'm just gonna leave it as layers. Finally, my Himalayan pink salt. As you can see, I did decide to add the rest of the carrots on the top layer, and after 5 hours cooked on high, it was done. All ready for my work week meal prep. It's the evening before I retake my driver's test, my written driver's test. And I'm ready. I've been studying this time. I didn't just walk in. Well, it's not like when I first walked in there and I was like, yeah, I passed my test in Oregon and I've had it before and blah, 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 all prideful and arrogant and failed. So I studied, and I also been praying because I noticed that my nerves get really shot with tests, and yeah, prayers for clarity, prayers for wisdom, and a little extra calmness to remove all anxiousness, and know that this is kind of a big deal for me. When you're getting your life straightened out after having it a complete disaster, it takes time and it takes little baby steps like getting your driver's license again and paying off debt that you had and trying to do right all the wrongs you did as much as possible, and if it's safe for everybody, and learning, growing, being a grown-up at 41 years old. Not the way I thought it would be, but better late than never. So I'm just here drinking my matcha. Yes, coffee relaxes me at the end of the day. And so I just wanted to share those thoughts before tomorrow. God's good though.
He is gonna get, this
Oh,
is gonna be
and
the greatest hits
I was
of Bricks.
getting my nails done. And the technician, we were just talking. I was telling her how I'm adding all these cool things, well, to me, on my bucket list. One of them is I want to go to a barn dance. That's one, which my coworker from work, she's like, oh, we're going to find you one. I'm like, ah. I mean, I love all this country stuff. I'm like really enjoying myself. And so that's one. And then I don't know how we started talking about line dancing. So in downtown Sandpoint, they have this place called The Hive. And I guess Thursday they have for $10, 21 over line dancing lessons. So I'm hoping I could go after work. So that's another one. I'm going to learn how to line dance for sure. I got to do it. I mean, I'm at the right place and it's just so cool. It helps while I'm getting, continue to get my life straightened out, doing healthy things without alcohol, without drugs, without vaping, without all those weights that were, weighing me down and leading me to death. So yeah, line dancing sounds kind of like fun healthiness. So it's a lot of work getting healthy, getting right, and doing the soul work. So these little moments feel good to do something, like I said, healthy, fun, while I continue to work on straightening myself out and getting my foundation stronger and ready for my kiddos again. So yeah, so I just wanted to share that before I forget.
Nobody seems to have any power over any of this. Nobody has any ability to change any of it. They're weather pattern. This isn't just about, some bad ruler coming in on the scene. This is different. This is a whole lot.
Use of cell phones while driving. B, can distract you and cause an accident. Is it legal to pass when the pavement is marked with the solid double yellow lines? No. Ugh.
Juliet consented to such foolishness. I can't even because she was down playing. So I said to Juliet, one of my homies said to Juliet, and I know it's bad to say, it's done. And please forgive me. Levy these types of charges. They pulled over by a cop, speeding down the highway. Every time I got pulled over, it was big girl in white. My girl diamond got a carry farm in the ring. I gotta do all of this, man, minus the cocaine, minus dope fiends, minus jumping on the plane, minus rocking you and getting out of my lane. So I hit my knees and pray for fate to remain. I gotta get this. I started on the phone, then I started going down to the actual radio station. But Juliet would come with me to the freestyle rounds, and she would stand against the wall and praying the spirit while I went in there to eat the
and it was just off skill. So after it was over, I appreciated it. Man, like, what you start with? I was like, oh, I live in urban, whatever. Like,
Okay, it's test day. I love matcha, it's really good. But it's very expensive, so I taught myself how to make it at home, and it comes out just as good. And it's more affordable too. I've studied, and I've even prayed. So it's been a pretty long journey to get here, just like everything that's like a crucial point in my life. I'm so grateful for, once again, everyone that's helped me get to this point. And I'll still need a little bit help for a little bit, because you know the next thing would be obviously a car. But I'm thankful for everyone that's helped with rides, with praying most importantly. And you know, I didn't ask for prayers, and I wasn't praying in the sense of, oh, let me just pass my test. And no, yeah, there was some responsibility, but there is responsibility expected of me from God and society, of course. I have to study, and I have to study and take it serious. But prayers doesn't, you know, calm my nerves, because I do get very nervous with tests. I'm pretty sure that's why I failed last time. And I didn't study, so. Peace, calmness, clarity of mind, you know, things like that. But I could already feel prayers working today. I'm calm, I'm relaxed, I have this crazy peace. So yeah, that's it. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, taking you guys with me, so.
it's just, I wasn't being a Christian rapper where I'm like, 1 Corinthians 20 and 19. So, yeah.
That's so dope.
Yeah.
That's so.
Continues in the same vein. I got so many. It's too many. It's too many. When I gave my life to Jesus, and started preaching,
Create change, like meaningful, lasting change. And
Hello. Fairgrounds, please. Thank you. Thank you. Do you pick up on this side too?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'll see you in a little bit. This is the fairgrounds. We're here. This is where my bus stops. Yes, yes. Beautiful. They kicked me out because the first hour is only for seniors walk-in. And I told her, well, I'm just here early because it's cold outside and I don't have a car. And she's like, well, we have to keep the lobby open. So I told her, it's okay, I'll come back, and my appointment's like in 15 minutes. I'll just go hang out at the jail. There's the jail. They have a bathroom there anyway. So I'm gonna hang out at the jail for a little bit.
Okay.
Or Natalia?
thank you.
Okay, I'm home. I passed. So now I just have to schedule my driving thing, behind the wheel test. So I have step study gathering tonight for Celebrate Recovery. And I think I have enough time to go to the gym, clean up a little bit, and